Whether you are a startup, consultant, designer, manufacturer, or a retailer, we all can talk for hours explaining our businesses. But does your client have the same time and patience? 99% of times we get less than 2 minutes to explain our business, and that's why we suggest explainer videos. Social media posts and tweets are not enough to attract potential customers. 86% of businesses that use explainer videos have seen increase in their sales. Explainer videos convey your business model, highlighting your business strength enough to attract your potential customers. Humans tend to register visual representations for a longer time, like you would remember TV advertisements more than newspaper ads. So why not use this proven technique to get your cash registers ringing? Our team has the experience and caliber to comprehend and creatively narrate your business to attract not only your potential customers but also investors. No more waiting for people to read your brochures, banners, or posts. Explainer videos are one-time investment that yield lifelong returns. Email at support@explainers.com and order now before your competitors sees this video. Visit our website www.explainers.com or WhatsApp +91 88 480 665 33.